This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab. Today, I want to tell you about 7 great garden gifts for 2023. The holidays are here and we have 7 fun and useful garden gifts for that special garden lady or guy in your life. Whether they like to putter in the garden all day or are project or outcome oriented, we have the perfect garden gift idea for them. Make sure to stick around for our last garden gift to get a special coupon code for 30% off only for you, our listener. Now, our top 7 holiday garden gift ideas are the Garden Guru Garden Tool Essentials Set. This is the best garden tools set to either get started with or to upgrade your garden tools. Now, whether you're looking for a 3-piece or a 6-piece tool set, that gardener in your life will be able to take on their garden and use any tool for any task. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel and having an ergonomic design, each tool will help them effortlessly check each garden task off their list. Next up is the Smart Pot 6-foot garden bed planter. It's perfect for small space vegetable gardeners. Plant vegetable seeds and starts in these durable fabric bags that are self-contained and weatherproof. You can choose from lengths of 6 feet, 8 feet, or 12 feet, but the 6-foot length will fit most patios or decks with plenty of space left over. Our next garden gift is for light and heavy pruning and from our friends over at Corona that have put this fun pack together of a classic cut hand pruner with a durable leather belt sheath. You can't beat a classic. And our fourth garden gift are gloves that are always a great idea when gardening, and the Bellingham Bamboo Garden Gloves are one of the best gloves you can wear. Yes, we have talked about these gloves before, many times in fact, but they are so versatile in any garden, they fit well and are super tough. Now, last year we told you about the Lyco Indoor Garden Growing System, but this year there is a new kid on the block, and they are the Indoor Garden Hydroponic Growing System by A Hope Garden. With 10 available plant pods and slots to grow your herbs or vegetables from, this growing system fits on most indoor countertops, and it has its own lighting system to grow your very best herbs and vegetables all winter long. Now, for the next garden gift, if you want to give the gift of growing, Eden Brothers has many different seed pack collections, including their all-perennial collection. This pack includes Sweet William, Coreopsis, Shasta daisies, Black-eyed Susan, blanket flower, candy tuft, lupin, and other fun perennials. This packet is perfect to sow in the spring in any full sun location. Also, use our coupon code SPOKENGARDEN, that's all one word, at checkout for 15% off your total purchase. And the last garden gift on our list, but never the least, is the Little Dibby and the Dibby XL. Yep, we did a twofer on this one. We have packaged each one of our Dibby tools in one bag so you can have each size in the same color. Use the Dibby XL for planting your larger seeds or for transplanting your seedlings, and the Little Dibby to plant smaller seeds or to transplant smaller seedlings. And because you are one of our valued listeners, you can get 30% off any purchase in our Etsy shop when you use the coupon code LISTENER30, that's LISTENER30 at checkout. There are a lot of great garden gifts out there, and these are the ones that stood out to us. Also, make sure to check out our Etsy shop and our Amazon store. Links will be in this episode's description. Whichever gifts you decide on, make sure to stay safe this holiday season, be grateful for what you have, and never miss an opportunity to let those you care about know how much you care about them. Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to our podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.